Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be giving my slimes a little makeover. I'm gonna fix it up because they definitely need one. So for this first slime, it is a giant slime. I've had it for I think about 4 to 5 months now, and it's not nice looking. I don't know, it's really hard and it just needs some work. First step into making this a beautiful slime is I'm going to be adding some shaving foam. Reason is because I really want it to be thick and fluffy. And this is what I mean by how this slime is a mess. Just the colors and everything is just not really nice in my opinion. After you let it sit for a while, it kind of just gets all gross. So actually, many of you guys suggested that citric acid actually melts down your slime, and I've experimented with this before, and that's what a lot of you guys recommend for melting or fixing really hard slimes. So I really wanted to try this out, but I didn't want to just use straight up powder because I feel like that could mess up the slimes, possibly. So I dissolved it in really hot water, I let it cool down, and then I poured it into the slime. And you can see an immediate reaction with the citric acid. It just kind of like breaks the slime apart. It's amazing. And I didn't even add that much and it's able to do that already. And this is a huge slime, so that is so cool. You can already see it's getting a little bit stringy. The next step is adding some color because personally I am not a huge fan of gray slimes. So this is the final look after adding the color, and I absolutely love it so much. Like, this is such a pretty shade of blue, and you can see such a dramatic difference between before and after, and I'm so happy with this, you guys. I think this looks so good. Next slime for the makeover is this one right here. to be honest, it kind of looks like puke to me, and it's just not a pretty shade of green. I don't really like the color at all. This is actually the Play-Doh slime that I made in my previous video. I wanted to change up the texture because I really didn't like that mushy Play-Doh feel. Feels gross and it's not fun to play with. So shaving foam is the answer, and it's the quickest answer because not only is it easily accessible, well, for me it is. Oh, what? Where did that come from? I don't know where that accent came from. I don't know. Anyways, it's just a quick way to change up the texture of a slime, and I like that. So now I am adding some color, and of course, because like I said earlier, I did not like the color of this. Even though it may not look as bad right now, well, that's because I added some shaving foam to it, but earlier, as you saw, it looked like puke. And this is the final color, and I really like it. I would wear this on my lips. Now I am melting it a bit with the citric acid solution I made earlier because it was just not really stretchy and it was a little hard. So I definitely don't want that. I am adding some fruity scent to this because Play-Doh is fun to play with and all, but not the smell. I do not like the smell whatsoever, so I had to give it some scent. For the final touch, I am adding some microfloam beads to this because I am a huge fan of microfloams. Results look like a pretzel roll, and I love it so much. I hope you guys like it too. Last but not least, we have this white slime. So there's nothing really much to do to change this. I didn't really want to give it a dramatic makeover because I actually really like this slime. I really like White's basic slimes. Although this is not really a basic slime, this is more of like a cloud icy slime. But it's super hard, like really hard. It almost feels like you think it would be impossible to melt it and make it stretchy again. That's where the citric acid comes. I really wanted to test it out. It really breaks down the slime a lot. At first, after I used the citric acid, I was thinking it's breaking it down, but it's kind of separating and becoming stringy. I didn't have hopes of it becoming smooth again, but I was wrong. It did take a bit of kneading, like a lot of it, and the result is freaking fantastic. Like, oh, look at this. It's so nice. It's stretchy, it's soft. It just feels so good on my hands. I absolutely love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. I will hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!